preceding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in northern Illinois and northwest Indiana, will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
Here is the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 423, effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Vero, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 53 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 65 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 86 nautical miles southwest of Kenosha, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight for northeastern Illinois. Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:30 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 53 nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor to 72 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, western Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Wausau County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, western DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Capron to near Kirkland to 8 miles east of Amboy, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Geneva, Grays Lake, Lake Zurich, Round Lake, Sycamore, and Yorkville. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 72 and 78. Interstate 88 between mile markers 87 and 125. Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 50. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thunderstorm was located over Gallatin, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Sturgeon, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, East Troy, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Rochester, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Windpoint, and Fontana on Geneva Lake. People attending the Country Thunder Music Festival should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Brooke County in northeastern Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Montgomery to Sheridan, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, and Elmhurst. The guaranteed rate field should seek safe shelter, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 236 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 336 and 357. Interstate 80 between mile markers 111 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 123 and 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 290 between mile markers 2 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 37 and 62. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 423 remains in effect until midnight Thursday, and now includes the following counties in Indiana: Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and Kankakee, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Little Lake Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11:30 p.m. At 10:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 24 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 15 nautical miles east of Montrose Harbor to 22 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Winds may precede the arrival of precipitation by several minutes. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.